Hi, my name is Vidar and I'm from Team 254, and today I'm going to give you guys a quick introduction into PID. PID is an advanced control algorithm used by programmers to get robots to a certain position. Examples include getting a flywheel to a certain speed, getting a robot to a certain position on the field, and, as you can see here, holding an arm up. Let's take a look at the graph to get a better understanding of how PID actually works. We have two axes, arm angle and time. Arm angle in this situation is just the position of the arm as it goes up and down. And target is where we want the arm to end up in the end. PID is a set of functions that contribute to a final motor power. All of these functions are based around the error function, which is just how much the difference between where you are and where you want to be, or the target, changes over time. The first part of PID, or proportional, just uses this error function and multiplies it by a constant to get you close to, but not exactly at your target. This is great for doing most of the work, but as it gets close to the target, the error gets so small that it has little effect on the power. This is where the second function in PID comes in, or I. I takes the small sums of error to modify the motor's power to get it right at the target. I takes into account small but known forces like gravity or the force of friction. P and I functions usually fit the job for most situations. They get you to the position no matter how much friction there is or how well your batteries are working. But there are situations where you want to use the D part of PID. The D part in PID is derivative, which is essentially the change in the error. Let's say, for example, you push the robot down. As the arm goes down, the difference between the target and where you are increases. And the D function in PID notices it and applies more power to the arm's motor, allowing it to reach the target again and compensating for the force. This is the essence of what PID is, and these three functions combined allow you to do a lot of things. Now, this is only an overview of the mathematical side of PID, and in the description we have source code of PID in action for an arm. It's commented so that you guys can read it and modify it as much as you want, and thanks.